The Muhammad Ali, Cassius Clay, What's My Name story. It's a classic story. We've heard it. Tom knows it, but we all know about it.
It's so long, it seems.
It's What's My Name.
It's like fine wine. It does get better with age.
Cassius Clay had just won the World Heavyweight Championship, and he changed his name.
My name is no longer Cassius Clay Conviction. My name is now Muhammad Ali.
And he was getting ready to fight Ernie Terrell, if we remember. And Ernie Terrell, at a press conference, refused to recognize him as Muhammad Ali. And Ali said, "You do know my name. My name is Muhammad Ali." And Terrell said, "Your name is Cassius Clay. You'll always be Cassius Clay to me.
You'll always be Cassius Clay to me."
Before this fight's over, you will call me Muhammad Ali. You'll call me with the respect that I deserve.
Round one. And Muhammad Ali walked out. And he walked out. Boom!
What's my name? What's my name?
People ringside to this day that saw that fight heard him say at least 15 times every round, "Boom, what's my name? Boom, what's my name? Boom, what's my name? Boom, 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 boom."
Throw a jack right down the road. And guys are just,
And you can get it to where you can go. What's my boom?
I was praying to God that someone didn't go after it.
Boom, what's my name? And he started to buckle. Get up here, Wes. I'm going to show you how it happened. Start to buckle. He went down. No, stand up. You're not ready for you to go down yet.
You'll go down when you're ready to go down. When you call me by my name, Muhammad Ali.
About the 12th round, Ernie Terrell said, "Muhammad Ali, Muhammad Ali. Your name is Muhammad Ali, Muhammad Ali." And they stopped the fight.
Respect. You don't ask for it. You don't plead for it. You don't beg for it. You got to go out and earn it. What's my name?
What's my name? Right. What's my name? Right. What's my name? Right. What's our name? Right. What's our name? Right. What's our name? Right. Cool thing is that this is the kind of stories we've been hearing ever since we were kids. And when you get Little Red Riding Hood, the little engine that could, stories, you know.
Harbaugh takes, sets up on the left side.